Steel cable dropped on deck like rolling out a rug. True seaman precision. Patterns printed on water as sharp as on paper. Looks unreal, right? Uproots massive trees. How deep do you think those roots go? Paving so smooth it's like laying carpet. How many feet in an hour? Dry corn ground at full power. A whole bag in an hour. Can you guess the weight? Long reach, fast blade. Even jungle turns into a backyard. Weeds pulled fast, no bending. Garden spotless in seconds. Hand planting rice as perfect as a machine. Must have trained for years. Fruit peeled thin and even, like unwrapping an orange. Fruit sliced party perfect. One strike splits the coconut, makes you want to go make coconut water right away. Corn kernels pop off clean like sugar sprinkles. How many RPMs you think? Pipe coils fast and flawless. How long do you think one loop takes? Carton creased in one press? Folding that clean must take 10 years of practice. Candy comes out in every color, like a rainbow assembly line. Weaves as fast as a sewing machine. How many loops per minute? Plants lined up like soldiers. How many can it plant per minute? Grinds everything in seconds. What do you think the wattage is? Paint sprays without a single drip. The coating is smooth like velvet. Nails shoot out like a gun, over 100 per minute. Pastry pressed clean into shape. Punches holes in steel like paper. Trees bagged fast, no torn leaves. Whole orchard wrapped by noon. Bend, cut, stamp steel in one flow. Which step's your favorite? Our mats come out as perfect as red carpet. Makes you want to buy one now. Paint squeezed bone dry, so not a single drop wasted.